Look what we have here. It's a newly fresh harvest from the yard. Really good bananas. You can see that one, guys. Call it Cavendish bananas. Some of them crack because it's too much rain. That's why I advise you guys, if you got bananas or sagging, if they're like almost like this or matured, don't wait for the rain to harvest them because it will be cracked. See, so don't wait for the rain and then you harvest like before, like this. See, good harvest like this when it turn like this, when the color like this exactly. So if it's rain 2 to 3 days or what, a week, so the banana will turn like this. Lesson to learn, but it's still pretty good. It's because they're organic with the compost and everything, manure. This is raw still, but they're matured, so it's okay. This is the lofa. We can make lofa to scrub that, to scrub your skin, but first we have to dry this one in the sun like that there, and then remove the seeds. You don't need the seeds. And this one, the young one, lofa as well. You can make this to put in your soup, or you can bake them and put some salt and pepper or nice herbiga, and then voila, you got nice food, nice. And they're very small because nothing to harvest into the bigger one. Oh, but this one is very good. I wish got like this size. Okay, and this is the prickly cucumber. The Australian really love that to do in their salad locally. And then this one is good tasted. This one, I think this zucchini, between zucchini and cucumber, something like that taste. I haven't tasted it in a long time. And these are the one bunch of bananas. Oh, look at that, there's a twin in here. Amazing. They're friend of us, family friend of my sweetheart. Yeah, and then found that they got the acreage, and then we're saying these all good foods now, organic, plus the, what do you call that one, organic from chicken eggs. So I'm gonna show you this. Nice, very good. But these are all very pricey, but they give us some few of the free as well, So if you got the lady there, she's very kind. She give you a chuck bit more, because it will just gonna get rot in a way. So just chuck it and sell it to their friends cheaper. Nice.